expectation ko talaga. Kasi binibigyan ko na kasi sila ng higher responsibility coming the second round. And then yung expectations din namin masyado na rin mataas yung stake regarding sa positioning ng mga teams and also doon sa natin, yung win toss. So, hopefully magandang start to for the second round and looking forward for more. Yun ang namin, ginagol namin. So, isa-isa, ang problema namin ngayon UST, next game namin, UE. So, isa-isayin natin hanggang sa makuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you. First, you have 11 attacks, 1 block, 7 extra reception, and 15 digs. So, yun na, nag-aabot kayo sa 4th set, pero naging clutch ka nung dulo ng set. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita yung effort despite na yun na, yung USD nag-threaten na maabot kayo ng 5 sets. So, what can you say?
Siyempre po, proud po ako sa team namin, sa effort na talaga nilibigay. Kasi gusto po talaga namin manalo. Yun po yung una po namin ginawa. Ginusto po talaga namin manalo. Yeah, talagang team effort po.
Thank you. To Paila, you have 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 service aces, and 5 digs. So, congratulations. What can you say about your team's effort? And it's a big bounce back win after your straight set loss against LaSalle. What can you say?
For me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my teammates, how they give the effort. Also, I'm so happy naman. It's team. Watch team. I'm so happy. And then how the coaches adjust to give us to know how to adjust. Even it's not working, but we still adjust to perform well. Happy na po.
Even though you're back, right?
Yeah.
Right, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Okay.